Namaste. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I Navya welcome you all. Today I am here to talk about an interesting innovative idea compiled by Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives, that is ZIIEI. In this video I am going to talk about home visits during morning walk from community participation developed by innovative teachers of Lakshadweep. The role of a teacher goes beyond the textbook and periphery of the school. The teacher is not only a guide but also a parent, acts as a parent to the child. The teacher has this activity especially applicable to all the classes, to all the schools. The teacher will be going a visit to the parent informally, going by the time of morning walk or coming from school, coming from home to school. The teacher visits the parents, very informally. This is not at all a formal meeting, and discussion. They will start a discussion with the parent about how many hours the child is studying at home and how the discipline of the child at home, and what are the activities which school is taking up, and what are the extracurricular activities, academic and non-academic activities are taking place. Very informally, he will be talking with a friendly manner to the parents. First of all, the teacher cannot go to all the students' houses on one day. At the same time, the teacher cannot visit regularly to all the houses. So for this reason, the teacher prepares a planner, list of all the students, and according to their addresses, the teacher sets up a planner and visiting during morning walks time. The teacher will have a casual talk with the parents and with the child, so that the parent will also be educated about the child performance. At the same time, the child also be very cautious, aware that the teacher is coming and interacting with us, so they will be very cautious in maintaining a discipline. At the same time, improves the performance of academics. As I told, the teacher during morning walks, they will speak with a very friendly manner with the parents, not at all a formal way, with a casual talk about the child performance in the classroom. At the same time, asking about the child study hours, how many hours the child is able to study at home. At the same time, the discipline of the child at home, how is it that the formal, informally, the friendly manner, the teacher will find out the information about the child. At the same time, this will also increase in participation of the parent towards school. The teacher will be informing the activities which takes place in schools, academic wise and non-academic wise. This makes them to be linked one, like the teacher will be aware of the information, the parent automatically actively participates, and the child will also be improving the performance in their outcomes, learning outcomes. At the same time, discipline wise, behavioral wise also, he will be cautious. It is important, and it will be developed by, will be useful and developed by the teacher, parent and the student. I hope that you will also implement this innovative idea to have a friendly, friendly talk with the community. And if you are liking this video, please subscribe to ZIIEI YouTube channel. And if you are watching this video on Facebook page, please like ZIIEI Facebook page. Thank you very much.